9 minus 3 divided by 1/3 plus 1. This problem has destroyed the internet. Let's see if it destroys you too. Most people do this. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 divided by 1/3. They get confused and guess something like 2. Then plus 1 makes 3. Final answer, 3. That's not even in the same universe as the right answer. First, order of operations. Division comes before subtraction and addition. So we do 3 divided by 1/3 first. And here's where people die. Dividing by 1/3 means multiplying by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Now we have 9 minus 9 plus 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. The answer is 1. Not 3, not 9, 1. 2 traps in one problem. First, you have to do division first. Second, dividing by a fraction flips it. 3 divided by 1/3 is 9, not 1. Miss either trap and you're lost. This is the problem that makes people say math is broken. It's not broken. You just forgot the rules. If this humbled you, leave a like and subscribe. There's more where this came from.